Hey guys, Walter here with Federal Brace. I'm here with my good friend Brandon Irwin, and today we're going to be installing a tactical concealment shelf in his home. Now Brandon has a newborn baby and a wife and a family, as most of us do, and he is worried about home defense. And so for him, he wants to know where his firearm is in the case that someone tries to break in, there's a sound, you're not sure, you don't want to have to wonder where that is. So our tactical concealment shelf is a great option, very discreet, looks really nice. We're going to go install it right now.